So I am Chris Mortimer. My background is mechanical engineer, but my experience is working with many different disciplines, software and electronics engineers. I spent 26 years working at York University with academics, students, research staff, technicians, building, designing, research equipment. We will work with innovators, entrepreneurs, so anyone who has an idea that they want to bring to life. We'll sit down, we'll go through what their problem is, what they need, how they think they might want to solve that problem. I'll go away and do a feasibility study. So I will look at whether or not the idea is something that we can find a solution to, whether it already exists, because I'm not going to go out there, re-engineer the wheel. If something's out there, I'll point them in the right direction. If not, we'll do a feasibility study. We'll look at possible options, various ways of solving their problem or finding a solution. And this is part of the service before any contracts are signed. Rather than spending a lot of time trying to do a fully engineered solution, we'll do staged prototypes. So we will prove out a part of an idea, we will prove out the next part, we will scale it up to the point where, yes, we are on the right track. If it's not, then we'll go back and we'll look for other possible solutions, other concepts. These being prototypes, we are looking for the problems before we actually go to a manufactured design, before we actually roll it out or scale it up. So this is the process where we design it, we build it, we put it together, we put it in the hands of the end user. They will then test it and give the feedback, and then that works into the iterative design so we can then implement them changes and then do further builds, or we can change parts of a design till we get to the point where we are ready to scale up, either to manufacture or to scale up in physical size, depending on what the application is.